Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this low-mileage, one-owner 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400 convertible. The epitome of a modern mid-size luxury car, this elegant cabriolet with its sleek curves, fine engineering, a powerful turbo V6 engine, refined cabin, high-tech features, and a power-folding soft top with a rear center pass-through and a pop-up air deflector is a can't miss. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this rear-wheel drive is a 3-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 329 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 7-speed automatic transmission. EPA estimated fuel economy is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, it rocketed from 0 to 60 miles an hour in only 5.5 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. This sport model boasts 18-inch AMG twin 5-spoke alloy wheels, 2-bar grille with an integrated 3-pointed star, and a sport-tuned suspension. Inside, the Sport boasts subtle white-faced gauges and a 3-spoke steering wheel in place of the Luxury's 4-spoke design. Additionally, this model boasts the AMG Sport package, multi-control front seats, Bluetooth, Harman Kardon Logic 7 surround sound system, and the remainder of its factory warranty. We invite you to come and experience the E-Class difference and prepare to be impressed with the refinement, performance, and cutting-edge technology, providing performance that is almost equivalent to the E-Class V8 but boasting far better fuel economy. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.